Hi, everybody. This is Gardine with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, December 14th, 2021. So we're still having these issues with our website. I really have absolutely no idea what happened. The WordPress where we run our site off of did automatically updated some plugins, and our entire website is down. So we're trying to fix this right now. Unfortunately, when you deal with these type of technology companies, there is no live person you talk to. You have to fill out your support ticket and wait. And unfortunately, I don't know exactly when things are going to be back to normal. But in any case, well, I'll get you the reports out. If the worst case is, it will be very similar to what we're doing, what we did today, where I'll send Woody stuff out through the email and then just do the updates with the video reports on it, just until we get things settled up, because we're actually switching website. We're going to be moving our entire server over to somebody else. So in the meantime, we'll figure something out, a plan B for all this. But in any case, what I want to do here is just kind of recap where we are, because this was our warning sign was right here. It was when we saw the S&P have that huge big day on Friday, and here we saw the NIAD that was declining. So this was our warning sign, and I put that out, and I said, this is you got to be careful here, because you have to pay attention to these types of divergences, especially when you have them on the regular technicals like we did, where you can see this is the 60-minute chart. I'm sorry, this is the daily chart. That was when we had the big move down. But here's the 60-minute chart here, and you can see we had bearish divergences, and this was really what the expectation was a quick drop and not the chase up here. So here is the landing zone that I've been talking about. I said it was going to be anywhere from the 4632 down to the 4690. Now here's one of the reasons why I still believe we're going to have another move to the downside. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not pounding the table on it. But the thing is that we have the 50-day moving average that's came pretty close to hitting. We made it to 4607, and this was at 4594. So if we take a look at the 60-minute chart here, we're oversold right here. So seeing some type of backing and filling would make sense. But what would really fit the actual technical, it's say wave structure or pattern, would be it fails here. We take out these lows, and then from there we see some bullish divergences form. We this support holds, and then from there we see the Santa rally. That's my preferred pattern. I think if the bulls can get it above this 4665, I believe that the lows may be in, and from there we're going to be heading up. But if the bears can take the lows that we took, you want to keep an eye on, again, the right around this 4594 level. If it doesn't hold, then we're now the bulls are in. They're going to be treading water, because there's not a whole lot of support here. This entire move was gap ups on here. So really the next target we're looking is 4537. So this is really, really important for the bulls to kind of hang on to that Santa rally. And if this gets taken out and we do come down, then what's going to happen is we'll probably make a low, maybe on the 21st or something like that, and then we see a rally, but these highs are in place. So we're still kind of up in the air. This looks like it could be just an ABC move. We're oversold, but we don't have any bullish divergences on the 60-minute chart. But if we take a look at the 15-minute chart, we really don't have them here either. So that's another reason why I'm believing, we could see another move down. Maybe we sucked in some of the bulls here and they move down. If the bears are, I mean, if the bulls are going to get above this resistance, we know what they're going to do. They're going to gap it above. But right now it's 4667, so it's going to have to be a pretty decent gap to get above here. And which, speaking of gaps, we have a little bit of an open gap right here. So we're overbought right now on the 15s. So again, that would kind of support where maybe we get some weakness tomorrow, find that support. And again, I'd probably be more leaning on looking to buy this dip than the short rallies. But I'm not married to that. That's really just because of the seasonality end of it. As far as wave structure, nothing has really changed on that part of it. That the bigger wave five is in place, and even though we came up, we made a closing new record high. We never took out these highs, so this either can be just a very large wave two up, and we're in the process of making a wave three down. You can't rule that out, and I think that the bulls are really starting to run out of some time. So for today, stay open minded. Like I said, my preferred pattern is if they start higher tomorrow, it gets held down at one of these areas, comes down and takes out these lows, finds support anywhere from the right around that 45.93 level, and then from there we head up into the say Christmas or the Santa rally that everyone's waiting for. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.